Hi Ariel, I hope you are doing well. So I have sent you this folder in a zip file. You have to extract this folder in a simple folder like this one, and now follow these steps to run this code on your Windows PC. First of all, you have to open this folder, go to application files, open this folder, and when you scroll down, you will see this exe file here. You have to run this file, and you will see the board here. Now you have to insert the keywords here, uh, like plumbers, uh, hotels, and you can insert bulk keywords here, and same with the locations like uh, Texas and any other location. I don't have like New York. Okay, after that you have to click start button. Now there are two phases in this board. First, to extract the links, and second is to extract the information from that link. So in first phase, our bot will search plumbers in Texas, okay, and then it will collect all the URLs of the listings there, and then our bot will start the second phase. So it is searching plumbers in Texas. On the board, this is the taskbar of the board. Right click here and click on count, so you will be able to see the count here. Okay, okay, it is collecting the URLs right now. And at this time, uh, after plumbers, our bot will search for hotels in Texas and New York as well. So if you want to stop this bot, stop this first phase here and start the second phase, then you can click the scrap button, and our bot will stop the phase 1 and start the phase 2 right now. So I have clicked this button. Now our bot will start the phase 2. Okay, you can see here there was no address, so it is empty here. We got the phone number, we got the website, and our bot has checked for the email on this website, and we found no email there. My internet connection is slow right now, therefore it is running slow. So basically the boat speed depends on the internet connection. That's it. So we have this website here. Yes, in this case our bot has checked for the email on this website, and we got this email. Okay, I think it's enough for the demo. At the end, yes, another email. So we can export the data by clicking this button. uh, this is the file name, this is the file type. Okay, we can select any format that we want, and this is the uh, board default path. I will show you where it saves the files. So click export button. Our bot will export both phases files, and then it will ask you to open these files or not. Do you want to open the exported files? Yes. And after that you can close this form. So this is the phase 1 file and this is the phase 2 file. Okay. Now you can see the exported files folder here. When you open this folder, you will find the files here with the current date and time, 341, 341, grade 1 file and grade 2 file. Okay. Ask me any questions if you have. Enjoy with this bot and stay blessed. Take care, please. Bye bye.